Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a declutter, clean, and organize with me video. So let's get started.
Sunshine, I've been waiting.
So I've been wanting to tackle this basement for quite some time now. I haven't cleaned, decluttered, or organized this space since my kids moved out last year. Now my youngest, he uses this space for the most part when his friends come over and he wants to play on the Xbox. Most of the clutter that you see here is from my office space. I created a combined space for my husband and I over the weekend. And so this is the result. I ended up shifting some of the things that were in the office. They would end up being more useful downstairs.
Your shadows away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now. Spotlight from my cell phone. Sounds like it's your ringtone.
So here in Michigan, things are starting to get a little bit chillier now, so it was time for me to take down the air conditioner.
Talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now. Chills, yeah, I can chills when you come. Wanna give you my heart, so don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give you my tomorrow, forever now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now.
Jag minns hur den tid du gav mig life billar jag. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut.
So I began wiping down this area and then soon to find out that there were spiders just all over the place. So of course you see I am redoing this all over again because there was just spiders everywhere.
På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid, jag vill ha det.
Now I was just beginning to just put some other furniture back that I was going to utilize in the area on the back side of the wall here.
Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen.
Okay, so this was like almost an all-day process here. You see that I shifted a lot of stuff to the opposite side of the space, and it was mainly because it's a method to my madness. I really just didn't want to take everything out and vacuum. I know it's backwards, I get it, but it was just that I just wanted to just work in small spaces at a time. So I opted to start back up against the wall first, and now that I have that section kind of the way I want it, then now I'm going to start moving some other things here, and then I'm going to organize this space after I clean out this area.
Feel like I was free. Now it's just broken pieces of me. I don't know why you pretend. No, I don't wanna be at your party, seeing you right next to somebody. Why do you keep on trying to, when you know what we shouldn't do? Even though that I want you, why don't we go figure it? Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. It's so difficult to see.
So I took this older desk here and I moved it further towards the end of the wall because we needed to create another space for sometimes when we are downstairs and we need to print something. So I just ended up moving that monitor and the computer, the desktop, closer to the end of the wall, like I said. And then closer to the television set, there's going to be another space over there for my son. He creates video and he does gaming and things of this sort. So I wanted his things to be a little more closer to where the Xbox is, and he can do all his gaming in one area over there towards the TV.
Nothing here will be the same again.
This painting here was given to me by my grandfather. I have had this painting, I would say, for about 30 years now.
I still see you smile. Why don't we go figure it? Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me. Yeah, where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like one.
Now I just have this small amount right here to tackle and get some of the remaining things here and place them in the bins that you see behind.
That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I'm going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you.
Now everything is in its proper place and things look so much better and so much cleaner and decluttered for the most part. I am so happy with the way things turned out.
Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.